In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Looker and Power BI to determine which one is better suited for your needs. The decision isn't about which is inherently better, rather, it's about finding the best fit for your specific requirements. Let's start by exploring each platform, and then we'll dive into their distinctive features. When it comes to Power BI, many users find it particularly strong in data manipulation, thanks to its robust ability to shape and clean data through an efficient ETL experience. This makes it suitable for quickly transforming data from various sources. Also, its seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem, including Excel, makes it a popular choice for those invested in Microsoft products. With an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, Power BI is user-friendly, especially for those new to data analysis. It offers a free desktop version and more affordable pricing options, appealing to budget-conscious users or smaller teams. However, you should be aware that while collaborative features are strong, the metrics in Power BI are computed within individual reports. This can lead to inconsistencies across reports or teams. Moreover, while embedding reports is possible, it might require more setup than Looker Studio's straightforward iframe embedding. Now let's shift our focus to Looker. Looker stands out with its centralized data model thanks to its LookML language, which ensures a single source of truth for metrics across your organization. This helps maintain consistency in reports and dashboards, crucial for large-scale enterprise operations. Looker's customization capabilities allow for a tailored approach to data models and dashboards, providing flexibility to meet specific needs. Additionally, Looker's automation capabilities in scheduling and reporting make it a robust tool for organizations emphasizing governance and control. However, Looker does come with considerations. The LookML language can be a barrier for those without a background in SQL due to its steeper learning curve. Moreover, while powerful, Looker can be more expensive than Power BI, owing to its custom pricing model. Finally, the lack of straightforward version control can make managing changes a bit cumbersome, especially in environments where tracking manual adjustments is critical. So, which one should you choose? If you require a powerful yet affordable solution for data analysis with excellent integration into Microsoft's suite of products, Power BI might be your best bet. Its user-friendly interface and cost-effective options are ideal for teams seeking quick implementation. Conversely, if your organization needs to enforce centralized, governed data models and demands advanced customization and robust control over your metrics, then Looker can serve you well. It's an excellent choice when consistent logic across reporting is non-negotiable. Ultimately, the choice between Looker and Power BI should be guided by your specific business needs